Binabatikos ngayon ang ilan sa mga BINI members na sina Stacy, Colette at Joanna dahil sa video na kumakalat ngayon na kung saan mapapanood na tila malaswa ang ginagawa ng dalawang kasama nilang mga lalaki at mas lalo pang nadismaya ang publiko lalo na ang mga fans ng tatlo nang marinig nila ang ginagawa umano ng dalawang lalaking kaibigan nila ay ginawa din umano sa girlfriend nitong 13 years old pa lamang. Ayon sa ilang netizens ay hindi umano magandang halimbawa ang tatlo sa mga menor de edad. Dahil base sa video, tila kinukonsinti umano ng mga ito ang sexual rough sa minor. Kahit nasabihin pa umanong biruan lamang nilang mga magbabarkada ang kanilang ginagawa ay hindi pa din umano maiaalis na meron silang 13 years old na kilala na ginawa ng hindi maganda ng kaibigan nila. Samantala, mukhang dismayado naman ang magulang ni Joanna sa eskandalong kinasasangkutan ng kanilang anak. Marami kasing nakapansin sa mapapanood na graduation video ni Joanna na malalim umano ang buntong hininga ng ama nito at maging si Joanna ay tila hindi rin komportable. Kasabay kasi ng graduation nila ay ang pagkalat ng video nilang tatlo ni Stacy at Colette.
Ganun yung ginagawa niya kay Ashley.
Sinasabunod.
13 years old. Sinasabunod. 13 years old.
Nobles Joanna Christine Burgos, Special Citation Award for Arts, Media, and Entertainment.
May mali talaga sa pag-iisip ni Colette and all of the people involved sa video. No one would dare na mag-post ng ganong stories. That's very indecent. Nakakadiri ang laswa kahit normal citizens hindi gagawin yan unless talagang squammy o tingin nila cool. Nakakadiri kayo BINI, Colette, Joanna, and Stacy. Natatakot na tuloy ako for may pamangkin na idol sila. She's freaking 8 and is chronically online sa TikTok because of them. Agree, green jokes do happen pero if you're in the right barkada, walang ganyan. Never in my 28 years of living na may barkada ako na gumaganyan ang act sa unahan ko pa. Hindi na joke yung nangyari. May bonus comments pa about 13-year-old? Yikes. You're part of what you tolerate eh. If part ka ng barkadang ganyan, malaki ang chance na ganyan talaga ang normal na ugali mo. So BINI, hi talaga, choose better friends or maybe kayo pala talaga ang problema. And for that, I say grow up. Kung akala nyo cool yung mga ganyan, nako, no, it's not cool. And kung hindi man ngayon, nako, pagsisisihan nyo talaga yang balang araw. If it was really Colette, why would someone in her private circle post it? In the first place, why would they make a joke like that and then post it? Kahit pa hindi nila i-post, napaka-insensitive ng joke nila. Pinapakita lang gaano ka-squammy ugali kasi nagawa pang mag-joke ng ganon. Hindi na siya natuto sa nag-leak na stories ni Kiffy D. Akin lang hindi na sana kalkalin o malaman kung sino si Ashley or Astin. Kawawa naman if sa kanya mapunta yung spotlight, malamang pati bashing kasi malamang may mag-victim blame na naman. Also, kahit hypothetical or imaginary na tao siya, they made that joke about a minor. That's disturbing. Honestly, napaka-disrespectful for the lady that got mentioned. Parang pinag-uusapan ka behind your back and talking about intimate relationship details or using your name as a joke. I stand with Beanie PH, Beanie Joanna, Beanie Colette, Beanie Stacy. The recent circulating video of them joking with two friends has nothing to do with women empowerment. If you are a human with a functional brain and can comprehend conversations, you should see that it was a harmless interaction between friends. Haters just taking advantage of it and impeding the comprehension of the public. They're also human, they make mistakes. The only difference is they're idol or in a P-pop girl group, so all their actions is monitored. Laban lang Blue, mas masakit pero mananatili sa 8 hanggang dulo. Why would I hate my idols? Porket nagjo-joke lang about sa minor, hate ko na agad? Madidisappoint ako ganon? No one's perfect, lahat nagkakamali. People these days, it's already 2025 but their mindset is still trash. Di talaga ako magsasawang suportahan ang mga idol ko kasi idol ko sila. And even though naging idol ko sila because Leabol and Uso, go lang Beanie, nandito kami mga blooms. As someone who supports Beanie, it breaks my heart to see this issue involving Colette, Joanna, and Stacy. Kung totoo man mga sinabi nila, it's not just wrong, it's deeply disappointing. What makes it even more painful is that the whole group is being dragged into this, including the members who had nothing to do with it. Beanie worked so hard to reach where they are now, and to see the actions of a few put everything at risk is devastating. I hope accountability is taken, and I hope those who are innocent don't suffer because of others' carelessness. We support Beanie, but we will never tolerate behavior that disrespects others, especially when it's sensitive issues. Awareness is important. Silent is not an option. Normal lang naman sa ating mga Pinoy ang mga ganyang jokes lalo na sa barkadahan. Ang hindi lang maganda dito is idol ka Kumbaga, may image kang dinadala at pinapangalagaan. Tas knowing na maraming bata ang sumusuporta sa inyo, yun lang talaga. At sana sinarili na lang nila tong video na to, ba't pa kasi may pa-video pa si mismong idolette. Tas nag-leak sa SOCMED. Yun ang ikinasasama sa palagay ko.